Yeah, hi friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, No Salesforce. Today we are going to learn about how to create a simple report in Salesforce. So first of all, you can find the report tab in Sales app, or if you do not find this report app in Sales, then you can directly click on this app launcher, which is we call as 9 dot. Then here search for the reports. Uh, Okay, and in atoms, below atoms, you can see the reports. You can come to reports from there as well. So here we go. This is the uh, user's perspective UI for the reports, and I want to create a new report on opportunity object. Okay, then I will click on this button, new report. Then these are the categories, predefined categories. Mostly these categories are used for the report type, so we can create the custom report type as well, and there are some standard report type as well. This account here you can show it's a standard report type. Okay, yeah, opportunity. Yeah, I will take it as a standard report uh, type. So I will take it opportunity, and here you see the start report button. So from here you can start. Yeah, so first when you come to this uh, page, you won't able to see the any records because there is the filters which is applied. So here is the show me the all opportunities. So here I will see the all opportunity. Close date, I will select all time. Okay, and if you want to update the preview automatically, then just check this, enable this dialog box. Here you can see all the opportunities I am able to see now. Opportunity status is any. If you want to see only open opportunities, then select open. Then you will see the open opportunities here. Mm, If you want to see the closed opportunity, then you can see the closed opportunity. I think the stage field, yeah, here. These are the closed opportunity. If you want to see the closed own opportunities, then you can see only own opportunities you can see here. Okay. And come to this outline columns. In this column, you can see all the fields. Okay, the owner role, opportunity owner. The sequence is same like here you can see the this sequence you can see on the report as well. If you want to change this, I want this financial period above stage. Just I will like this. It will gets it will get replaced here. You can see the financial period comes before stage. Okay, and if you want to add any one more field into this, just click on this button fields, show fields, and from here you can just need to drag and drop. So I want to add stage duration, so I will drag it and here drop it for the type field. Okay, and in report you can see the stage duration field gets added, so which is we call as column. In this way you can add and remove fields from column. Then here is the button save and run. It will get saved and then automatically gets run. So I will save. I will give it as name as a opportunity report. Then report description. this mm, report will show you all close on opportunities. Okay, and where do you want to add this report? Means in you, after creating report, you need to add into the folder. So I want to make this report public. So I will select public reports and so that everyone can see this report. I will click on save. So when it's save, it will run. Yeah, here you can see. Okay. If you want to edit this, then click on this edit button. Yeah, here we go. This is save button which will save your report but not run. Close. Here you can see will close your report. Public reports. Here you can see the report which we created just now. After clicking on this report, uh, you will it will run the report. Edit field. Editing means you can edit the field here. Just click on it, just like here, and click on save. The record gets updated. Though uh, this opportunity gets updated, I will open this opportunity in another tab. There you can see the opportunity name gets updated. Details. Yeah, here we go. The opportunity names get updated. From report as well, you can update the opportunity record by using this option, validity. Okay. Mm, regarding subscribe option, I will create another video for this option. Export. Uh, you can export the uh, report. There is two view for export. One is formatted export. Export the report which including report header, grouping and filter settings. Details only, export only the detailed rows. Use this to do further calculation for uploading to other system. Yeah. So mostly this detail only export we use regularly. So I will export it. It will get downloaded here. Okay, I will open it. Yeah, here you can see it will looks like this. Okay, so this is all about report. So this is the simple report. Okay, yeah. Please subscribe my channel and do let me know if you have any questions by adding comment on this video, and I definitely answer your questions. Thanks for watching.